Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ngayon ng reaction, opinion, itong article ng Rappler, Dilima. Rumors abound that BP Sara's impeachment trial won't proceed, but it must. So, nababahala na po si Congresswoman-elect Leila De Lima na baka hindi matuloy dahil yun na yung ugong-ugong eh. Kailang dapat matuloy. Matuloy. Okay. Ang unang nagsasabi na una kong narinig na with a very clear conviction, fearless forecast na hindi matuloy. Walang iba kundi si ex-Senate President Franklin Drilon, isang veteranong senador. Sa interview sa kanya, pakinggan natin. Fearless forecast, hindi matutuloy.
No jurisdiction, and therefore the case will not be tried.
So your fearless forecast is that there will be no impeachment trial? That
My
this could
fearless
be,
forecast is that there will be no impeachment trial.
that
No.
this could be dismissed on a procedural issue?
On a
Jurisdiction.
jurisdictional issue.
Yes.
Come out with the ruling that there is no jurisdiction, and therefore the case will not be tried.
So your fearless forecast is that there will be no impeachment trial? That
My
this could
fearless
be,
forecast is that there will be no
Yun.
impeachment trial.
that this could be dismissed on a procedural issue?
On a
Jurisdiction.
jurisdictional issue.
Yes.
Come out with the ruling.
Drilon na yan, nagsasabi. Magbasa lang ako ng mga comments bago tayo pupunta sa Rappler na balita. Kermit San, it is essential to recognize that the upcoming Congress lacks the authority to pursue the impeachment process. Priscilla Carey, kapag nagpilit ang BBM admin sa impeachment, lalangoy at malulunod sila sa kahihiyan. Mabubulgar ang pinakakatago-tago nilang kabalbalan. Sila na din mismo nagpapahamak kay BBM. Bloodbath dapat matuloy. Pearl Avila, sabi niya, Drilon is warning that there might have an unfavorable scenario for those who pursue the impeachment. It might mean the BP has in her possession evidences something that could lead to total damage in terms of their political careers. Okay, so punta tayo dito sa balita ng Rappler na nababahala na si Attorney De Lima. What happened? Okay. Congresswoman-elect Leila De Lima of Party List Group ML acknowledged on Thursday rumors that the impeachment trial of BP Sara may not push through, but insisted that lawmakers should not scrap the process. She issued the statement hours after Senate President Chis Escudero wrote to Speaker Martin Romualdez informing the letter that the reading of the articles of impeachment originally set on June 2 had been moved to June 11 to allow the Senate to tackle priority measures before it adjourns on June 13. Nako, talagang masamang balita talaga ito, ano? Kasi nakakalendar na eh. June 2, bago election. Ito na yung sinasabi ni Senator Escudero. June 2, ini-invite na nila yung mga prosecutors para formal na basahin yung mga articles of impeachment. June 3, i-convene na yung impeachment court. So, tuloy na yon, yung pre-trial ba yan? Iminove. Instead nga June 2, June 11 na. Tapos June 13, mag-adjourn na. Anong mangyayari? Di ba parang biglang nagbago ang ihip ng hangin. Parang ayaw na nila talagang matuloy. Natakot na ba sila sa bloodbath na kagustuhan ni BP Sara? Kaya ito, nababahala na si Attorney De Lima. Okay, ito ang sabi niya. There are whispers that the impeachment case against VP Sara isn't moving forward. Some say it's dead on arrival. Lacking the votes, they say, over before it even begins. De Lima said in a video statement. Ano pa? To abandon, sabi niya. Ito na. Nangangarap na tatayong prosecutor eh. Sana ang pagbigyan ninyo. Let the trial begins and let's see the bloodbath that will happen. Okay, sabi niya, to abandon the process is to abandon the people who still believe in the promise of justice. It tells every Filipino that those in power are beyond reach and that accountability is optional. Let the case be heard. Let the evidence be tested. Let truth rise as it must, as it will. Yes! Why not? Sino bang umayaw? Kay VP Sara sabi niya, let the trial begin para magkaroon ng bloodbath. Eh, sino umaayaw? O, tanongin nyo sa powers that be. Hindi yung kampo ni VP Sara. Okay, De Lima and her political ally, Congressman-elect Chel Jokno of Party List Group Akbayan have been tapped to form part of the prosecution team. There have been questions on whether the articles of impeachment approved by the 19th Congress can be carried over to the 20th Congress. Yon yung sinasabi ni ex-Senator Drilon. Alanganin yon, sabi niya. Kahit si Attorney Macalintal, hindi pwede yon. Senator-elect Dante Marcoleta, sabi niya, hindi pwede yon. Ayaw nilang matuloy. But kung ako ang inyong tatanungin, sana matuloy. Pagbigyan natin si Attorney De Lima niya tatayo sa impeachment court. Tignan natin paano siya ilalampaso ni Congressman o Senator-elect Dante Marcoleta. Matuloy man o hindi, basta panalo na po ang ating VP Sara sa labanang ito. 2028 na lang ang paghandaan natin para isa na namang Duterte ang makabalik sa poder sa Malacanang. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong natin sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ngayon ng libreng yero at pako para maayos ang mga bahay, sira-sirang bahay ng Tribong Talandig. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Yan ang gani, ipatukod ba ng kura sa diyan. Oh. Hey. Sunod na ako. At kabay ako manggani to, ako manggani ka na O garon day, pila na katuig nga nagluon ka sa imong ugangan? Duwa na. Oo. So karon pa mo nakabalay?
5 na katuig nga nagluon ko.
5 na katuig. Oo. So karon unsay imong maistorya nga nakabalay na mo nindot na ang inyong balay?
Nauna mga pasalamat sa Ginoo na nag-sponsor sa mga sasin. Eh, kung wala nag-sponsor, hindi makabalay. Pasalamat po mi sa naghatag.
Sige, salamat.